Finally, the bill has arrived. Take a look at this. Social Security SSI likely to see increase as lawmakers eye reforms. If you're wondering what type of increase for SSI, this could be in the thousands of dollars. If we take a look at this, this is the official bill right here. The name of the bill is SSI Savings Penalty Elimination Act. So this is going to help out anybody on SSI, and it's going to give an increase in pay. Could be in the thousands, as I mentioned before, thousands of dollars. So I'm going to give you all the updates on that. As we can see, the official press release right here, Brown Cassidy announced first bipartisan bicameral bill in decades to update supplemental security income program. So this is big as it's gaining a lot of support. Bicameral, which means Senate and House, and it's bipartisan, which means it is Democrat and Republican. So this is a big bill gaining a lot of traction, and a lot of people are excited about this. So I'm going to give you the latest updates on that, how it benefits you if you're on SSI, and speaking about anyone on SSI, but more importantly, SSI, SSDI, anybody receiving a Social Security check. I mentioned in the previous video that the Social Security Administration has sent out billions of dollars and now they want it back. Really unfortunate situation, but letters are being sent out. I'm going to let you know what those letters are. Also, if we take a look at this, the latest of the COLA forecast. Here's the latest Social Security forecast for 2024 as we are less than 3 weeks away from the official announcement of what the COLA is going to be for 2024. So I got a lot of really important updates to share with you in this video. I'm going to try to make it as tight packed and give you all the information up front. So stay tuned for that. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate the Social Security updates, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Social Security updates regarding new bills coming out, increases, decreases, proposals. Also, this video is sponsored by my company, Wise Cent. If you or anyone you know is trying to fix your credit so that you could get a better rate on a mortgage, a car loan, or anything like that, or just get a bunch of negative items removed from your credit report, I got a link down in the description below. Contact me and I'll help you out. All right, so Social Security, SSI likely to see increase as lawmakers eye reforms. So another bill, you may be thinking, wow, another bill, excuse me. Another bill, another proposal. What else is new? A bunch of talk, a bunch of bills in Congress that are just sitting and collecting dust. Well, that is partially true, but this one is actually gaining more traction than others. As mentioned before, bicameral, bipartisan. It's got a lot going for it. So let me give you the details on this. So actually, let me read it to you exactly from the bill. But first, new bipartisan bill raises Social Security SSI savings cap. So more specifically, that is what this bill is doing. As you can see here, the SSI Savings Penalty Elimination Act would update SSI's asset limits for the first time since the 1980s. As it stands now, the limits for individuals are $2,000 and $3,000 for married couples. The low limits discourage SSI recipients from saving for emergencies and penalize marriage, supporters of the bill say. So what is going on with this? How does it work? What's in it? How is this going to affect you, which really matters most? All right, so this is the bill here. Excuse me. I'm going to go over exactly what it is. As said here, SSI Savings Penalty Elimination Act. What we got here, update in eligibility for the Supplemental Security Income Program. So update in resource limit for individuals and couples. So as you can see here, it's actually pretty easy to understand. So by striking $2,250 and all that follows through the end of the subparagraph and inserting $20,000 in calendar year 2022 and shall be increased as described in section 1617D for each subsequent calendar year. All right, by striking $1,500 and all that follows through the end of subparagraph and inserting $10,000 in the calendar year of 2022 and shall be increased as described in section 1617. So basically what that means, take away the $2,250 and replace it with $20,000. Take out the $1,500, replace it with $10,000. Also, inflation adjustment section. In the section heading by inserting inflation adjustment after benefits by adding at the end of the following, in the case of any calendar year after 2022, each of the amounts specified in section 1611, which is right above, shall be increased by multiplying each such amount by quotient not less than 1 obtained by dividing. The average of the consumer price index for all urban consumers, all items United States city average as published by Bureau of Labor Statistics for the 12-month period ending with September of preceding calendar year. So what does this mean? Basically, that's just more legal jargon saying that the above needs to be in place and that there needs to be basically increased amount for the savings cap. So this is the press release right here. If you want more numbers, exactly how it's going to affect you, here it is right here, if you couldn't understand the legal jargon there. The current SSI program punishes disabled and elderly Americans for working, saving for the future, and getting married. Right now, individuals receiving SSI benefits are limited to $2,000 in assets. For married couples, it's $3,000. The average current monthly benefit is $585 for individuals. For approximately 60% of recipients, SSI is their only source of income. The Savings Penalty Elimination Act would raise those caps, which have not been changed since 1984, to $10,000 for individuals and $20,000 for married couples, and index them to inflation moving forward. So it wouldn't stay 10 to 20,000 for another 40 years. It would actually go up, with inflation. So that's all it would do. Which is huge, because that means rather than having to try to hide money, have family members maybe keep money on the side for you, this allows you to be able to have more of a savings and over the long term save thousands of dollars. So this is huge right here. Let me know your thoughts on this. If you are on SSI, do you like this idea? Do you like this bill? I'm going to keep you updated of what happens with the latest and when this is going to have a vote. So I'll keep you updated on that. And then also, here's the latest Social Security COLA forecast for 2024. So if you're wondering what the latest is, as we are just about 3 weeks away, October 12th is that day that we are going to see what the official COLA is for 2024. So based on recent inflation data, looks like experts are predicting a 3.2% COLA. Is it going to get higher? There is a potential. So it was lower before. It was actually 2.8%. Then it went up to 3%. Now it's at 3.2%. Are we going to see a jump up even higher? It is possible, but I will keep you updated. I'll give you regular COLA updates until that date, the official date, October 12th. So I'll keep you updated on that. Also, when it comes to how the SSA has overpaid billions of dollars and now wants that money back, I'll talk I'll talk more about that in a moment. But first, take a look at my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, this is Bella. This is the tip of the day. I want to tell you the one thing you should do for when you're feeling down and you want to follow your wishes. Then do whatever you want. It's a free country here. You can do whatever you want. So bye guys. Have a good night or a good day.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see what is going on with the SSA and the urgent letters that are being sent out, how they paid billions of dollars to recipients and now they are demanding that money back. You're going to want to click this video to find out more about that. If you received a letter, what to do about it. So click that video now and I'll see you in that video. Take care, be safe. Thank you for watching.